Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to choose the battle mode on Mobile Legends newest update September 2023. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legends account, and if you already log in, you can click the mode button on the right below on your interface, and then click. And this is the newest interface from the Mobile Legends. Over here you can choose ranked, classic like this, or brawl, magic chess, arcade, versus AI, or also contest. And the newest battle mode is the contest like this. Okay, so you can conquest of down or arena contest like this by the nations from your country. Okay, so here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.